Happy Friday. Oh my gosh, it's Friday. All right. Cool. Hello, everybody. I put this sparkly filter on, but I think it's making my mouth look a little weird, so I apologize. It's not about my mouth, it's about the clothes. So, hello. All right. Hi, Hi, everybody. Cool. Yay. All right, so like usual, I have Style by Lit, who is commenting the names and prices of the items that I'm going to show you. Yay. All right, cool. So if you guys are wondering what the name or price of it is, if you want to go look it up, you can look in the chat, in the comments, they'll be popping up. Or if you're seeing this later after I repost it, it'll be in the description so you can figure out what everything is. It'll go in order of how I present it. Let's start. So first, hello, hey. First is this Levi's denim jacket that I'm wearing. I think this is so cool. Very it's bringing me back to like the 90s. It's so comfy. It's almost like a softer denim. It's like the light wash. I popped the collar on it. I think that's kind of cool. You can also wear it, buttoned up to kind of like cool, scrunch up your sleeves with like denim pants too, and do the whole like Canadian tuxedo. That's actually kind of a cool style. So, cool. Hello. So I'll show you. This is what that looks like. Very cute. I feel like this is a staple. Everyone needs a denim jacket or a few in their closet. So love that. All right, we're just gonna go right down the rack here. So first, we have these two really sweet, precious tops. This one is like a light, icy, like Cinderella blue. This one is like a buttery, beautiful yellow. Has a nice, like a little flutter sleeve. It's almost cropped. I think it would go really nice with all of our high-waisted pants that we have. But this is super cute. I think that this would even be cute for like a little, like if you're still doing Zoom meetings. It's kind of, it's a little bit professional. It's a little bit cute, but you could also wear this for like brunch. Honestly, anything. Even with a skirt. So cute. Let me know, comment below what color you would wear. Would you wear the Cinderella blue? Oh, here we go. Cinderella blue or belle yellow. Love my princesses. All right, next we have from Free People. We have kind of a similar style top. These ones are part of their whole like recyclable campaign using like recyclable materials. Kind of the same silhouette as the one I just showed you, but this is like almost like a light linen color. Look at this detail though. It's honestly stunning. Like almost kind of looks like a corset with like that line work. It's really, really pretty. This is like almost like an oatmeal color. Then we have it in black as well. Really pretty. Flutter sleeves, kind of dips down a little bit in the front, which is very flattering on the body. I would wear this with jeans. I would wear it with like light wash jeans, dark jeans, shorts even. I think this would be really, really sweet. Hi, cool. You're from India. We have some people from Boston. Yeah, comment where you're from. I want to know where you're from. Awesome. We'll continue. Next, we have these two tops. Same style, different colors. This one's almost like a slate blue, almost like a sage green. This one's a white, and it's just a basic top, buttons up, has little like bell sleeves here, and it has a tie on the front as well. So you can tie this and make it tighter on you. You can button it all the way up. You can button it or unbutton it. This is a very cute, easy breezy summer top. I think this is stunning. I see all the hearts coming. I love this. Hi everyone. Hi Sav. All right. Next, we have a bunch of different styles of denim. You guys have been asking for more denim, so here we go. Levi's requested. Here we are. This is their Ribcage straight ankle. It's in like it's not like a pure white. It's almost like an ivory denim, and on the bottom you can see it has almost like a rugged edge detail. Has the red tag. And then we have, so these match the same denim wash as the jacket that I'm wearing. So like the whole Canadian tuxedo thing I was talking about, you could definitely pull it off with these. We have two different styles. We have the Ribcage boot cut and we have the Ribcage straight ankle. So I'll show you the difference. I got excited and I picked them all up, but here's one first, Ribcage boot cut. So you can say Ribcage is their style that comes literally kind of like up to your ribcage. It's the higher rise and it's boot cut. So it's just gonna be kind of straight, a little bit wider on the end. And then we have, this is the back of it. And then we have the Ribcage straight ankle. So these are more of a straight all the way down. Very flattering, super comfy. These are like the two most popular styles that you guys like, so we brought them back. I feel like, you know, denim all the time. It doesn't have to be just for spring, summer. You can wear it in the winter, fall, all the time. So this is a great time to get these right now. All right, next. We are in dress heaven now. We just left the denim land, now we're in dress heaven. Next we have from Free People, these two. Do you guys remember a couple of weeks ago when we went to the showrooms and we're showing you all the different pieces from Free People and we're having you pick on our stories? So we've been getting those pieces in here and there. These were on the story and you liked both of these colors, so we got both of them. We do this for you. So it's a beautiful long black, not necessarily like a slip dress, but it's just like this very nice light but also like weighted dress. Like I'm trying not to say like it's like light because it is light for summer, but also has a nice weight to it, so it's gonna really like hang on your body and really look really flattering on all body types, all shapes. And we have this beautiful like butternut color as well. So you can see it has like a cowl neck, kind of scoops down in the back a little bit, and on the back, or excuse me, on the side, there are slits. So this is so easy to throw on sandals, heels, put a jean jacket over it, put a leather jacket over it, put your hair up in a bun. Like you can dress this up, dress this down. I'm obsessed. I can't decide which color I like better. I'm probably gonna go with the black, but also this color is stunning in person. So cute. All right, next. We have from Free People. This one was on our story as well. Yes, I did put this sparkle filter on. I think it was really fun. You can really see this one sparkling. We put this one on our story a couple weeks ago as well while we were at Free People, and we asked which color you liked the best. This is the one that won. So I'll come up so you can see. It's like pastel, blue, purple, peach. Has this called funneling in the front with the ties, so you can adjust it to be how deep and tight you want it, and how much coverage you want or need. On the back, it has a nice like smocking, so it can stretch to your body and be super comfortable. This is so light. And on the side, this one has a slit as well, so you kind of get that little bit of flirty with that as well. All right. Next, we have this stunning little mini dress. So this is from Aster. Look at this inside color. It's like a beautiful periwinkle. It's almost like an abstract, I thought it was floral at first, but it's not. It's like an abstract pattern. It's like a pink, cream, like a golden color in here. So really pretty, kind of flares out on the bottom. And then on the back, you can see it has adjustable straps and an adjustable back tie as well. So comfortable and so cute. All right, moving right along. So we have this stunning pleather dress from Aster as well. So this is like an ivory or like a bone color. Very pretty mini dress. Has this nice like ruching that kind of like contours your body a little bit. Just simple elastic straps on the side or on the, for the straps. On the back there's a zipper. Just very easy. I feel like this is perfect for brides if you want to kind of like dress it up, if you want to wear this for graduation. You could wear this for so many different occasions, and it is that like faux leather material, so it kind of elevates it a little bit. It's not just like any white dress, it's a little bit more. I feel like this would look really pretty with sandals, any like that new tortoise bag that we got from Bellini. I feel like that would be really fun with this too. An easy piece to style. All right. This one is from Aster as well. Love loving, you guys love, we're loving the whole like cottagecore, very floral frilly dresses. So this is from Aster. It is golden, green, like a citrine, cream color palette, a little bit of pink as well. So this dress, you can see it's almost like a midi, and it's very feminine, very beautiful. On the sides, it has cutouts as too, so it's kind of like a little fun and flirty. But it has a zipper in the back, and it stretches to your body. So I feel like this will be super like comfortable, super form-fitting, and just like, I don't know, I like comfort in pieces, so I feel like this will be comfortable and cute all at the same time. Picture this like on Commonwealth with all of those blooming flowers. I feel like the pictures be amazing. Right, next, you may remember this dress. This is the famous Gaia slip dress from Aster. We had this a couple weeks ago and you were obsessed. We actually sold out, so we ordered more, so more of you guys can have this, but it's stunning. It's like a slate blue teal color, pink and copper flowers, has a slit on the side, adjustable straps, so you can wear it as high or as low as you want, and a little tie on the back too to kind of cinch a little bit more. Yes, this is a reorder, so come get it while we have it. All right, one more. I'm obsessed with this one. So this is also a different style of the Gaia. This is a ivory slip dress. Stunning. I feel like this, even for graduates, but in my mind, I thought of brides. It has the adjustable straps in the back, just their very basic Gaia style. Slit, but it's almost like this buttery ivory color. And I feel like this, like I said, brides, this is brides all the way. This with white sandals, white bag, just dress it up white, or you can have this be like the main piece, then do a pop of color with like your shoe or your bag or your accessory. But I just think this is stunning. All right. That is all we had today. So all of these items are actually gonna be available online like pretty soon, but they will be hitting stores on Tuesday. So let me know what your favorite piece was. I want to know, and we will see you guys soon. I hope you've been enjoying the stories with Lisa, the owner and the head buyer of Lit. She is off at market, and she's been posting and asking you guys what you like, what you want to see next. Super fun to be like interactive with us, because we like to see what your opinions are, what your tastes are. So definitely keep up with that, answer all of our questions, press all the buttons, and stay tuned to more stories. But thanks guys, I hope you have a good weekend.